In this video, we demonstrate how to perform Dynamiker fungus 1,3-Beta-D-glucan assay, also known as BDG assay. Before starting the test, take out the BDG test kit from refrigerator and place at room temperature for 30 minutes. Start the kinetic macro plate reader and preheat it at 37 degrees. To perform the test, ensure that you have all the consumables and instruments. Pipette 1000 microliter and 200 microliter, vortex mixer, glucan-free transfer tube, glucan-free tips 1000 microliter and 200 microliter, tube rack, timer, and macroplate reader. Step 1. Standard and control preparation. 1. Open the kit and take out 1 vial of standard R4, control R5, and diluent R6, respectively. 2. Take out 5 glucan-free transfer tubes and label with B, C, D, E, and TR. Note: when opening the rubber cap of the vials, do not open directly. Open it slowly and do not touch the inside of the rubber cap. Three. Add 1.5 ml diluent R6 into standard R4 and control R5 vial, respectively. Note: do not touch the inside of the rubber cap during the operation to avoid contamination. Four. Vortex the standard and control for at least 1 minute, then label with standard A and control, respectively. 5. Add 300 microliter diluent R6 into tubes with B, C, D, and E, respectively. Note: do not touch the inside of the tube cap to avoid contamination. 6. Add 300 microliter standard A into tube B and vortex 30 seconds to make standard B. Note: do not touch the inside of the tube cap to avoid contamination. Seven. Add 300 microliter standard B into tube C and vortex 30 seconds to make standard C. 8. Make standard D and E in the same operation above. Step 2. Treatment solution preparation. 1. Take out treatment solution A, R2, and treatment solution B, R3, from the kit. Open it slowly without touching the inside of the rubber cap. 2. Calculate the needed volume of treatment solution and mix equal volume of treatment solution A and B to tube TR. Vortex 30 seconds to mix vial. Note: if the lab could not finish one kit in a short time, the treatment solution is recommended to be aliquot as below. Take 8 glucan-free tubes. Add 400 microliter treatment solution A and B into 7 tubes, respectively. Add 200 microliter treatment solution A and B into 1 tube, respectively. Vortex all tubes 30 seconds to mix vial. Store all tubes at 2 to 8 degrees. Step 3. Sample treatment. Take out the strip carefully by pushing the edge of the vial bottom. Do not touch the bottom of the vials. Put the rest of the strips back to the package. 1. Pipette 60 microliter of diluent R6 into 1 vial as negative control. 2. Pipette 60 microliter of standard A, B, C, D, and E into vials. 3. Pipette 20 microliter of control into 1 vial. 4. Pipette 20 microliter of serum samples into vials. 5. Add 14 microliter of treatment solution into vials with control and samples. 6. Place the plate in the reader. Incubate it at 37 degrees for 10 minutes. Shake the plate for 10 seconds. Note: here we did standards, controls, and samples all in single. Customers could do duplicate according to their requirement. Step 4. Main reagent preparation. 1. It is recommended to resolve the main reagent during the incubation of samples. 2. Take out 1 vial of main reagent R1 and reconstitution solution R7. Open the vials slowly without touching the inside of the rubber cap. 3. Add 1.3 ml reconstitution solution R7 and dilute R6 into main reagent R1, respectively. Add R7 before R6. Do not touch the inside of the rubber cap during the operation. 4. Gently mixed. Do not vortex. Note: 1 vial of main reagent R1 is enough for 24 vials. If the test needs more than 24 vials in a run, then mix all vials of main reagent into 1 vial before addition. Step 5. Addition of main reagent. 1. Take out the plate from the reader after 10 minutes. 2. Add 100 microliter of resolved main reagent into each vial. Step 6. Reading. Read OD per minute value at 37 degrees kinetically at 405 nanometer and 490 nanometer for 40 minutes. Send report after 40 minutes. Thank you for watching.